Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. Some of my buddies that live down here in La Vida wanted to grab lunch, and then they built a rally track, I guess, and a couple of them have been working on rally builds with a couple WRXs. So we're gonna cruise up through Cuchara, hopefully have a nice ride, hopefully there's not too much traffic, and grab some food, and then I might run the rally track in one of the cars. He said he probably wouldn't mind, given that everything goes well today. So maybe we'll go rally. I think that would be fun. It's also the first like canyon-y anything that I've really done, except a couple corners here and there. So curious to see how this feels in the corners and whatnot.
About to leave, already packing, come with me. I'm not really asking, we'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out, die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Let's go, let's be free with me. Be free. Not looking back, eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche. We're on the run, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out, die with my own doubts. Be free.
Does this look stable enough to you? Alright, well that was a good lunch. My visor's already dirty again, but that was a good lunch. A couple of the guys had burgers. I wasn't really feeling something that heavy while being on the bike. So I was a child and had chicken tenders, but that's okay. I'll be a child. See this truck in front of me, and I want to hit these with a decent speed. heard this guy. Messing with my buddy here. We're going over to the rally track right now. I guess there's going to be some dirt roads and stuff to get there, but whatever. That's what water and maintenance and lube and stuff is for. But I was doing some flybys and stuff on them. They haven't seen the bike since I bought it, other than a couple of videos that I sent. So I was doing some flybys and messing with it. What?
From here down, it's rough and sandy. You're going to want to leave the bikes up here.
For the beginning of this clip, I dropped out the audio. I'm still getting used to talking to a camera and everything, so Brandon here is going to take me on a quick rip around the course, and then I'm going to go ahead and just cut straight to my rip around the course. I will apologize about the camera angle right now. This is still set up for my motorcycle, so it's actually on my chin. When I start doing these types of videos, I'm going to have to mount this on the side of my helmet, so just bear with me for this video, and I'll try to figure something else out for the next time I do something like this. I'm also not sure why this saved at such an odd angle, so I did have to rotate it during edit, so if it looks weird, I'm sorry.
You ready? Alright, well that was fun. I didn't really talk while we were driving the rally car, but that was fun. After I think the run with the girlfriend in the passenger seat, that was probably my best run. There's a couple spots that really need to be smoothed out, because right before you hit the spot where Nick hit a tree, I'll try to put a link from the drone footage. There's a couple dips and stuff there, so like the car bottoms out and bounces, and there's just no steering. And obviously in an all-wheel drive car, that's, you know, I think on those they've got a partial, no, not a partial box, what is it called? Biased. That's what I think I'm thinking of. Biased gearbox. So I think what they were saying was maybe a slicker with their, I don't know, they're running like a normal street tire in the back and then like an all-season winter something tire in the front. I don't know. Anyway, they don't have proper tires. I guess they're on the way, but anyway, no steering with the front end of an all-wheel drive car is sketchy at best. So that needs to be smoothed out. And then I guess they're having a problem with one of the gaskets had popped out from the in between the exhaust and the up pipe, so it's not building any boost. Other than that, I think that's quite a fun little track. And good little car. They got a good little setup. So apparently they're trying to compete in something. I'm not real sure what it is, but anyway, that was fun. I appreciate them letting me rip that up. I'll put a couple clips of the drone footage. But we're headed back to town. We left way later than we meant to, and then we really left late because other Tanner's keys on his got locked in his car. So we had to break into that with a piece of basically baling wire that doesn't have the or not baling wire, sorry, like fence wire that doesn't have the barbs. So we eventually got that and everything, because her and my gear was in his car. Our keys were in his car. Like, we had our helmets and our phones. So worst case scenario, I'd have just went and borrowed a car from my parents. They're only 20 minutes down the road. So, but that's okay. We got everything. We got back in. He's gonna have to hit it with some touch-up paint or something, because the crowbar kind of chipped the paint. But there's worse things. Apparently, though, that car has like a little thing on the outside of it that you can input a code to unlock it, and the dealership only gave him one fob. So he's gonna call Ford tomorrow and get that factory code, so this doesn't if it happens again, then he can at least get in. But other than that, I think this is the end of this video. We're gonna head home. Thanks for staying, tuning in, watching. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe. If you didn't like the video, well, I'm sorry. I'll do better next time. Anyway, have a great day.